So yesterday I made a video regarding the GitHub Copilot Dev Days, and most of you were confused that we are from different cities and different countries, how we can participate and how to register in this particular program. So we need a perfect guidance again because it was somehow unclear with the previous video. So here is a video about it. Now those who don't know about GitHub Copilot Dev Days, it's a online not offline conference. You have to attend physically, means you have to be present free of cost. It is completely free of cost. You have to be present physically in that event. You'll be getting free food, t-shirts, and maybe some meta swags also, because there'll be some fun packed sessions. You'll be learning about AI, Microsoft, and what are the new things are coming in future. Okay, so I have shared a link in the description. From there, what you need to do, okay, you have to just scroll down, and as GitHub Copilot Dev Days is open for every country, you can just find out the list. Okay, whether you are from different country, for example, you are from Canada, okay, whether you are from Patna, whether you are from Nepal, you can just see, you have to just scroll down, and here you can see they have mentioned the dates also and day also. Like today also some of the sessions are there, and tomorrow also, that is on 20, sorry, day after tomorrow, that is 27 also there are some sessions, 28th also there are some sessions. So you can see that if you just explore it, you'll see most of the cities and the states are also mentioned over there. For example, if you are from Mumbai, if you are from Hyderabad, if you are from Colombo, and also you can see Bhopal is also there, and MP is also there. Okay, MP Bhopal, Nehru Nagar is also listed over here. You can just see all the dates are there. Okay, and you can just scroll down and find your city over here. So here, if you're not finding your city, like you're getting this type of error that is sold out. Okay, all tickets are sold out or it is reached the entire capacity, then try to find out your nearest city over here. For example, here you can see we have two Bhopal over here. Okay, one Bhopal is here and one is here. So you can just register in any one of them. Similarly, you can come down and find the event like this. Okay, so this is how you have to find. Now how to register, I have to just show you a sample example. For I'm just opening it now. Here what you have to do, you have to first of all create account. Mostly it will ask to create a Luma account. Okay, here you have to just enter your Gmail details and sign in. After that you have to click on register over here. Okay, now here you have to enter your details, mostly like whether you're a student or developer, you have to mention your college or university. Sometimes it may option drop down over here, or sometimes they ask you to type. Then you have to mention your branch and department and just click on register. After that, all the updates will be sent to you on your registered email, means whatever email you have used for registering in this event, and all the notifications will be sent to you. Okay, so you can always check out and find out. Okay, if you need any other help, you can reach out to me via my social handles or also. So this is the quick thing I wanted to share. And if you're interested in other events also, like getting swags for the Unstop POTD challenge, whether you want to know more about the Gen Academy App Edition, or you want to just learn more about the AI internship, that is at IM Ahmedabad. So you can just check out the video's description, okay, and find all the related videos. So thank you. Have a great day ahead.